guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to talk about how we can have a plugin for having snow which is visible in 3D and also simulating mods in our Unity terrain. Okay. First of all, we should come over here inside the github.com. It has in the new lens Unity Deformable Snow. As you can see, it is exactly like this, deformable snow and even mods. You just need to download the whole package here. Just drag and drop the assets folder to your project. And after that, you will have the snow and standard assets. In Unity new versions, you will maybe have a problem with utility and this guy forced reset. By default from the this source, it's gonna have a GUI component, but you should just remove that part because there is no GUI component anymore in the new version of Unity. After you do that, you will come over here, snow, and it has main scene. Okay, let me play the scene. Okay, look at this. The snow is coming from sky, and whenever I walk, it's deformable. Excellent. It is really easy to add to your scene. No need to do anything else because the snow camera is just has this component, a snow and a snow plane, and it is the material, and this is the material as well for build melt and the white, and also update the speed. And here we have a snow plane, which is that's white plane. It already has the snow. And this material and this shader here is for the having deformable snow. As you can see, for example, I can change the height of the snow, even something like this. Look at this. Beautiful. But there is some sharp points whenever you are walking down. You can change the tessellation here. For example, if you put it 64, it will be better and higher quality. But if you do it, it will be smoother but almost low quality. Okay, let me do something like this. It's almost better. Okay, and in here, in top color or bottom color, in the top color you can change the color of this white area, and the bottom color you can change the deeper area. For example, we want to simulate modes. Look at this. Very easy. It is exactly like mods. Okay. And for example, we have blood. Beautiful. Okay. Oh, let's back to here. Okay. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR, and subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.